at the tire shop. So last time we're gonna see it like that. We're about to put the wheels on. Oh yeah. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have the 2025 C8 Corvette. As you can see, we swapped the wheels. It's going to be a quick video as I'm just going to walk around, do some slow motion as I talk the difference between the stock OEM wheels and these VH4 wheels. So let's just jump right into it. The stock wheels and these wheels, they're the same size. The fronts are 19 by 8.5 and the rears are 20 by 11. The only difference is the offset, of course the wheels, but the offset. The stock offset for the front wheels is, I want to say, anywhere between 52 and 54 depending on the wheels. I didn't check the specifics on my wheels, but my front wheels offset was 54, which like 52 to 54, and I put 20 millimeter spacers to push the wheel out, and that puts it at 34, which these front wheels, the offset is 34, and as you can see, the fitment is like on point. It's like perfect. And I use the stock tires, so it has the Michelin PS4s, and these are all seasons. Yes, they're all seasons. We're in Florida. It's kind of a little warmer, but they're going to help in the rain. I don't care for it. They're really good tires so far. Like, I get on and the car does very well with them. The rears on the offset on the stock ones is like, it says between 62 and 66. I think mine were 64 with the 20 millimeter spacer. Then I put on the stock that put it at 44. These are 45, and as you can see, again, like, perfect. Pretty good. And yes, these are VS forged wheels. They're from Vertini. These are VF02. Again, the front is 19 by 8.5, 34 millimeter offset. The rear is 20 by 11 with a 35 millimeter offset, and they sit perfect. They look great. I like the offset. I like the color. I didn't want to do like black or like dark gray like it had. I mean, it blends well with the stealthy and all that stuff, but I wanted wheels to pop out. I wanted it to be a little bit different, and it looks so good, so good. When I got the VS forged wheels yesterday, I did weigh myself, and then I grabbed the wheel and weighed myself with the wheel. I did it a couple of times, and then today after we did the swap, I weighed myself again to make sure there was not a lot of difference or a difference in my weight, and I weighed the stock wheels, and I want to say the front the difference in the front, I'm going to put some of that video on the screen as I'm talking because I don't remember well, but I know the front was, I want to say 4.8 was the difference per wheel, and the rear the difference was 7.4 per wheel. So that's almost what, 25? If you do 10 and 14 or 15, yeah, that's almost like 25 pounds all the way around. So I mean, we save some weight, we use the same tires, so we save some money there. And I gotta say, man, this color combo with the sea wolf gray, the black, the red, and now these wheels, it looks so badass. Also, I know I don't like flat face wheels. I like phase 2, phase 3 wheels with some concave. I like them concave, and you can see the rears are concave. The front, I was afraid they're going to be too flat, but they're actually not. They have a little bit of that center drop in. So I mean, I love it. They look really good, really good. This collar combo looks so good. So good. The red interior. And if you look inside, I painted the cover, so let's check it out real quick. So to help it match all that stuff. Red was added there too. So it just all matches and it looks so good, so good. And before we leave, let's give you guys a little. It's a warm start. It's been started today, so. But the SPD-Z1 exhaust sounds pretty good too. Like I said, it was just a short video to show the new wheels and to compare the specs OEM versus these wheels. The OEM wheels says it's forged too, and they're pretty light. I mean, the front one was 24 point something high, and this was 21, and then the rear I want to say was 31.8 or something like that too, and these were like 24 something or 25 something or something like that. I don't know. But the difference, like I showed it earlier, so you can see the difference. The front, I saved almost 5 pounds. The rear, it was 7.4. So that's makes up a big difference. So yeah, pretty short video. Hopefully you like the car and all that stuff. Like, subscribe, blah, blah, blah. See you guys later. Peace. See if we can catch a little bit of audio here. The wind doesn't cut it off. Traffic time too. Easy.